Welcome to the PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of how to reset keyboard settings in a laptop step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips and solutions. Step 1. First, click on the Start menu, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This will bring up the main system menu. Step 2. Now click on Settings to open your laptop's system preferences. Step 3. In the Settings window, locate and click on Time and Language. This section allows you to adjust your language and regional settings. Step 4. Next, select Language from the menu options on the left side of the screen. Step 5. If you haven't already added a new language, click on Add a Language. From the list, choose any language that's available. Step 6. Once you've selected a language, click on Next to proceed. Step 7. Then, click on Install to download and set up the language pack. Wait until the installation is complete. Step 8. After the installation, locate the app arrow next to the newly added language and click on it. This will finalize your selection and adjust the keyboard settings. Finally, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect and your keyboard settings are fully reset. And that's it. You've successfully reset your keyboard settings on your laptop. Thanks for watching.